you're getting schooled today.
Yeah, school them, school them. You're an
So
OG, by the way.
this is how it happened, guys. Ne? If you invite me to studio, unless I say, mfethu ngithanda sound yakho so, and I'd like you to use your comfort and everything, just let me know. Like how I created my album, didn't create it in my studio. I created it Epitor because the guys bebe good curator this sound that I wanted, and I wanted them to direct my music with this project because it's conceptual. Bas Epitor. So these guys are like, guys, let's have an understanding. I'm gonna come to your studios, said it nje, and then I'm gonna finance. I'm gonna make sure transport yabantu engibafeatureayo ngiyabaletha. Uyabona? What else? Your facilities, your equipment, your resources. You'll tell me if you charging me for that. If not, it's Rebecca's Brascap because Arna Zagara Hola Gaufel. I promise and guarantee you, refreshments, food in, it's on me. I just need you guys with your resources and your skills. Ask our I'm fit, but I own the masters. Yeah, I get a how. Damn.
That was in
Yeah,
writing.
but that's the thing. Right now, I missed it lab because I was supposed to even record. But like,
Yeah, I voice note
yeah,
now. It's an agreement.
but
And
things are going well because whenever song done, this one is done. Ne? Ke mang ke north ke nto kanje ke mama or nwabis okay sharp. We done ngale ngoma. I'm happy by sendile by mixed by master sharp. Send split sheet. Basine, okay, then it's sorted.
who did what? And
Who did what?
Yeah.
I write the percentages, and with me, by the way, what I did, I made everything equal. I didn't go ngalento yokuthi i-producer ithola 50, i-artist
Vocalist,
is
25,
Zoshera.
25.
I'm going to feature a lot of artists. I want different flavors on a song. Come on. So manje, for the sake of ukuthi ngibe ne-50, I'm going to be alone in the whole album. You can't. Because features help you tap into other people's markets. Yabona? So now if I'm going to think, yo, Unorth is doing this whole project, 12 tracks. He's getting above 50 by 12, and I'm nangihamba ngishare ama-percentage nabanye abantu depending on how many people I have. Baba ne-understanding ukuthi guys, I'm already spending for these sessions. Computer ngingacrash ne-album yami, I lost money. You guys will always have talent and skill. Let's just be fair. And resahola le lona le tlo ntlhoka someone. And once ke re 50, I'm going to be a bad person. A re holeng should re kene ka e re sharang equally. O mong le mong o tla kgona hore a e hodise and then re thegane hape. Wa bona hore zwakala mfethu salwa nthusa so. So that was the understanding, and I can see through the split sheets abansokolisi. They are all signed. They're all signed. So yeah, it's more of into enjalo understanding from the beginning, because you can own masters without making beats. You can own masters by having money. Hosi owns masters, or ambitious, but he's in politics because he has the money to start a label. So you can own AMA masters and everything, but also it's useless to own 100% of nothing. Own them and know how to exploit them. Do you know where to go with these masters? If you don't know, what's the point?
Yeah, which is what's nice about knowing.
And then
music business.
Utlo una di masters bjang o tsuba patjaka. Matekwanaka. Ow, my guy, you bought me Zol, now you're owning Nando Siak. And that's actually the reason Upor got so much backlash, because these, I'm talking about since the existence of music. Okay, no, not the existence of music, but from the 60s. Music business was never designed to benefit an artist. You just find your way to eat while they're sleeping. So this is how it was structured. Yeah,
you're going deep.
Hence, I'm saying you don't
Yeah, Brenda
you don't
suffered the fate.
You don't get what you deserve. You get what you negotiate, and also using your leverage. Kids today don't want to build leverage. Like lento bakayitsho yabona uze wathi when artists bezosubmit ingoma zabo, you shouldn't even submit for yourself at some point. But also with that, you can't have a manager when you don't have nothing to manage. Yabona, you're gonna start with your own packet, dude. Somebody's gonna see you. Mina 2 to 3 people saw me on mana ngiyarata and awudeserve uba perform stadium e-Atteridgeville. Wena awudeserve ukuba lena so. Now that person uzoba wholeheartedly because uzilethile as-volunteer uzonmanage. But if I'm going to go to my uncle malume kanje, ngesikhathi sakhe makekhona mayengekho because ndiqelile, you see. So kumele uzi-attract lezi zinto lezi. Ejo singakwenzela i-PR sishaja so kodwa like now I featured iPhone. I wrote, yo, finally got the feature on iPhone. A guy was like, mfethu ngawushutela that video ya le iPhone. How ka patela nje fela umphe nje ya transport or le team yaka etle. Then ngawushutela. Ubonani? U-iPhone.
Really?
And it
Yeah.
didn't that work for me to get a video?
I understand.
Exactly. The
Yeah.
leverage. So that's how it is, because I'm fair to these kids today, they think they'll never be older. You see what I realize I'm and I'm trying to give them information with it. Don't realize it Lancon. I'm working and now I'm also doing music. You can still do it while abazali bethi yenze iplay to safiki khona endlini ungaziphandeli. Yenze in the right way. Don't be ignorant or you OGs because basibiza kanjalo. I'm an OG actually now. Hey, 20 years in 2
Yeah.
decades.
Bro,
I'm an OG. Ngikhrot now.
sounds amazing. Yo, I want us to talk about your album and
Yeah.
wrapping up.
Superstar material.
Let's talk about your album. What do you have for us there?
Hits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the name of the album?
Superstar material. Yeah. Hip hop or igqom kanye
Oh,
Superstar
it's
Material. What
amapiano,
inspired that?
just
Yeah.
good
inspired
music.
that. My long what dream in my childhood dream.
Yeah.
The album cover I'm gonna show you. I haven't revealed it online. I'm gonna show you guys ukuthi maybe you understand. Like I've always, my tagline is ke mfana Pitori, mfana Pirara, mfana Piriska tse dintšhi ke maaka se solo ke zaga sale diamond wa checking ya dichipi tsa schipile utlwe le bo mahu ba re hawe ma the boy is cooking. I'm a superstar material. I belong on
Amazing.
magazine covers. And once again, I say arrogance. Ke or. So that's how it is.
Hey,
Antalwa.
hey,
So
still can you switch that thing? The thing is beat la. Switch that thing.
get
On
me.
his way out, he can
So
do
that's
something.
record.
Yeah.
See
No, bro,
release
I'm
a
serious.
before,
Switch it
yeah.
on. We're gonna need a beat from it.
Yeah, no,
Nice.
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
get me. So yeah, that's what inspired my album. Like
We're gonna be flagged, man.
Uguti,
Off.
I've always believed that I belong in magazine covers. I'm a star. Dress code. I check all these boxes. Is Hambisane talent, by the way. Not the ones that I learned in with business. Yeah, bribe, yeah, tintin. Just the start thing. I mastered it. And I was like, should it fail? I was like, I'm at a point where anytime this project is the project engizothi this is my first debut like solo official studio project. I've done mixtapes and what safund. So this one I was like, let me do it in a way yokuthi should it end ngithi angisayenzi everything bengisho ukuba yiyo included even the way ngifuna ukuba yi-star ngakhona lyrics, like I said, ngifunde ku-AKA because he was a superstar.
Yeah.
Yabona? So that's, I even changed my